What are you doing?
Lola, come back.
Someone has learned how to feed the dog at a ripe old age of 11 months and thinks it's hilarious.
Oh, feeding himself a little bit.
Lola's waiting. Are you going to give one to Lola? Or now you're not going to do it?
I want to feed a Lola.
There he goes. Is that funny? Is that funny, feeding the doggy?
Keep it under. Where's Lola? Where's Lola? Are you feeding her?
Yeah, there she is.
Mama. More pasta. That much pasta.
Yeah, because you gotta eat some food.
One for me and two for Lola.
No, get some pasta.
Please eat some peas and I'll get you some plain pasta. Okay?
Yeah.
Just scoop some out.
Too much please.
You can put it over to the pasta and they'll taste better.
What are you doing? One for you? Oh, you want more?
Here. Lola, it's your lucky day.
One for me?
Look, a big square, right?
Get over to the pasta.
I'm getting both. Oh, right out of your mouth, that one.
Red.
He's turning red? Why is he turning red? Oh, right out of your mouth, that one too. Oh, well, don't open your mouth while you chew.
You want some food, Dolly?
No.